Hello everyone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create a free business page on LinkedIn. So first go to linkedin.com and then if you're on the desktop, just click this icon for business. You can see it on LinkedIn here. Let me quickly sign in. My username and password. So the option will be on the top right corner here. So click on it and then click create a company page. And This is this is where you will open your business page here. So click on company and add name, the company name, and fill out the rest of the details. Now you can enter your page identity and company or institution details and profile details information. Then select the verification box to confirm that you have the right to act on behalf of the company or school. Then click the create page button. You can also add images, logos, and more. And then finally click this button and your business page will be created. And that's all there is to it. And